Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary story that exemplifies creativity, resilience, and the right timing that can indeed change the world from your very living room. This is a story about facing down looming evictions, sparking a global movement, and the sheer power of innovative thinking when backs are against the wall. Stay tuned till the end for some mind-blowing twists and turns in this entrepreneurial journey. Welcome to Feel the Life-Changing, where transformative stories like these redefine what's possible. It all began in the heart of the economic downturn when two roommates, Brian and Joe, were faced with eviction. Money was tight, so tight they couldn't see a way forward, until a major design conference brought an opportunity right to their doorstep. Hotels were packed, but what if they could offer a place to crash? With just 3 air mattresses, they launched their makeshift bed and breakfast. The concept was simple, yet slightly absurd. Yet sometimes, desperation breeds the most creative innovations. Their initial setup, air bed and breakfast, should have been taken more seriously. However, when the design conference filled every hotel room in the city, Brian and Joe hosted their first guests. This turned out to be more than just a weekend gig. It was the seed of a brand new venture. They earned enough to cover the rent and buy themselves some time to dream even bigger. But here's a twist. While airbeds provided a beginning, the real game changer was still on the horizon. If you're enjoying this journey of unexpected entrepreneurship, hit the subscribe button to join us for more stories like this. Airbnb's success in the tourism industry can be significantly attributed to its innovative use of artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics. These technologies have enabled Airbnb to enhance user experiences, optimize its service offerings, and efficiently manage its operations. Here's how Airbnb utilizes AI to dominate the tourism sector. 1. Personalized recommendations. Airbnb uses AI to analyze user data, such as booking habits and search patterns, to deliver personalized property recommendations, increasing the likelihood of bookings and enhancing user satisfaction. 2. Dynamic pricing. AI algorithms help Airbnb suggest optimal pricing strategies to hosts by analyzing factors like local demand, seasonality, and event schedules. This dynamic pricing ensures competitive rates for guests and maximizes revenue for hosts. 3. Quality control and trust. AI aids in maintaining high standards on the platform by analyzing listing photos and reviews for quality assurance and detecting patterns indicative of fraudulent activity to protect users. 4. Enhanced search. Functionality. AI enhances search accuracy by considering the context of searches and user preferences, making it easier and faster for users to find suitable accommodations. 5. Customer service automation. AI-driven tools, like chatbots, handle routine inquiries, improving response times and freeing up human agents for more complex issues, thus boosting overall customer service efficiency. 6. Predictive analytics. Using predictive analytics, Airbnb can forecast travel trends and demand, advising hosts on property optimization and adjusting marketing strategies to align with anticipated changes in the market. 7. Optimizing user experience. AI is used to optimize the Airbnb website and app interface based on user interaction data, continuously improving usability and engagement. Airbnb has significantly influenced and reshaped the tourism industry through its innovative platform that connects travelers with unique accommodations worldwide. Here's how Airbnb has come to dominate tourism in several impactful ways. 1. Expanding accommodation choices. Airbnb has broadened the spectrum of accommodation options available to travelers far beyond traditional hotels and motels. It offers a diverse range of properties, from single rooms to entire homes, tree houses, castles, and even boats. This variety appeals to a broad spectrum of travelers, allowing them to customize their travel experiences according to their preferences, whether they're looking for budget stays, luxury homes, or something truly unique. 2. Local experiences. One of Airbnb's significant contributions to tourism has been its ability to offer travelers more authentic local experiences. By staying in residential neighborhoods and using homes that may reflect the local architecture and style, travelers get a better sense of the local culture and lifestyle than they might in a standard hotel located in a tourist-centric area. This deeper cultural immersion helps differentiate Airbnb from traditional lodging options. 3. Economic impact. Airbnb can help distribute tourist spending more broadly across communities. Unlike traditional hotels that are often owned by large corporations, Airbnb's hosts are typically individuals or families. Money spent on Airbnb stays is more likely to go directly to local residents, supporting local economies. Additionally, guests often shop, eat, and participate in activities in the neighborhood where they're staying, which can lead to increased spending in areas not traditionally benefited by tourism dollars. 4. Scalability and flexibility. Airbnb's platform is highly scalable, without the need for the company to invest in physical properties. This flexibility allows it to grow its inventory rapidly and diversify its offerings quickly in response to market demand. Airbnb can easily enter new markets and adapt to changes in tourist behaviors much faster than traditional hotels, which require significant capital investments and time to build or renovate. 5. Marketing and branding. Airbnb has leveraged advanced digital marketing strategies and strong branding to promote its offerings. The platform's focus on user-generated content, such as reviews and photos from guests, enhances its credibility and appeal. Moreover, Airbnb has effectively used social media to engage with younger demographics who prefer personalized experiences and value the aesthetic and authenticity of their accommodations. 6. Regulatory challenges and responses. Despite facing significant regulatory hurdles in various cities around the world, Airbnb has shown resilience by actively engaging with local governments to find mutually beneficial solutions. Its willingness to collaborate and adapt to local regulations has helped it maintain and even expand its market presence under challenging conditions. 7. Innovation. Airbnb consistently innovates to enhance its service offerings. The introduction of Airbnb experiences allows travelers not only to book accommodation, but also to engage in unique activities hosted by locals. This expansion into the broader travel experience market has further solidified its role as a comprehensive travel platform, rather than just an accommodation service. Today, Airbnb has not only survived, but thrived by adapting to adversity and innovating at every turn. They've transformed the travel and hospitality landscape, proving that with a bit of ingenuity, even the wildest ideas can become global sensations. As we conclude this inspiring journey, let's reflect on the power of innovation and adaptability in today's fast-paced world. Airbnb's story is a testament to the fact that no idea is too small, and no obstacle is too big if you have the vision and determination to see it through. Before you go, smash that like button if you loved this story, and subscribe for more content that could change your perspective or even your life. Here at Feel the Life Changing, we believe in the power of transformational stories to inspire. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon in our next video.